Okay, so to round out this section, we're just going to take a look at what's left within the purchasing module that we haven't covered yet. So on the setup tab, you can see that there's a tax section down here, and we do have a complete set of videos that show you how to get your taxes set up. So if you have the need to use taxes with either purchasing or order entry, go ahead and watch those videos, try and get them set up in your implementation instance. And if you need additional help with that, obviously, of course, you can put in a ticket and schedule a one-on-one or hop on a Q&A and ask some questions about that. Vendor compliance also is here in the setup tab, and we do also have a bunch of videos that go through how to get that set up, but you will have compliance definitions, say based off your compliance category, whether it be insurance, lien waivers, or miscellaneous, and then you have compliance types that are linked to those definitions, which is where you'll apply your printed document template. So where do the actual compliance records live then? They're here on your All tab, and it's compliance records. So let me just show you a template that I have in the system here. So if I come into my records, I have my lien waiver here, and if I go print or email and I take a look at that, here is just like a typical example of a lien waiver that we have that we could put into the system for you. Obviously, you'll have your own and you'll want to get it as close as possible to that, but it's basically going to be these same kind of fields. You know, you want to pull in subcontractor project amount, etc. So they live within the purchasing module. Compliance records, your setup is here, compliance definition, compliance types. So the records for compliance are always, always, always driven by the purchasing module. If you have bills going directly into AP, you will not be able to generate lien waiver records for bills that go directly into AP. It's driven by the purchasing module. So you may need to be setting up a workflow called vendor invoice or something like that if you have bills that are going in that are not subcontract invoices or purchasing invoice, and you want to generate lien waiver records for that. So that is pretty much rounding out everything that there is in the purchasing module. Of course, if you have additional questions, please do hop on a Q&A. There are every day. So don't be afraid to hop in there and ask some questions.